Hello everyone, my name is VK and I welcome you all back to my channel. In today's video, I want to cover what I call the best investment advice you will ever get on YouTube. As obvious as it is, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing I say in this video is a suggestion for you to buy, to sell, or to hold a stock or cryptocurrency. By choosing to watch this video all the way through, you accept the fact that you and you alone are responsible for every single move you choose to make, your gains or your losses, or every single emotion you will experience along the way, whether it is massive pain or intense pleasure. You and you alone are responsible. So do your own research and never invest money that you are not ready to lose. Now, with that out of the way, you see, the stock market was on a downtrend for almost 2 years now, or at least until recently. But we are now seeing some changes signaling that the bull market is very close. As we prepare to enter that period when almost everyone is making money in the stock market and with cryptocurrencies, I want you to keep in mind that even if you hear me say that I personally believe the stock market will close higher or lower, even if I show you that we are having good data after good data, good news after good news, there's always something around the corner with the stock market. There's always the unexpected. No one has a crystal ball. So what I'm going to ask you not to do is not to FOMO. You see, a lot of new traders wait until the good news happens and then they pile in with zero risk. Of course, you are responsible and you are free to choose the best way to manage your risk when it comes to trading. But if you really want to be a smart trader or investor, you need to find a company you believe in by doing your own research. And then you go in when it gets beaten down. You must study. You need to learn. Don't just believe in a company because someone else calls it out, or you like the name, or you found out that it's popular, but rather learn how to go in and do your own research on the company before you pull out your wallet to buy a stock or a cryptocurrency. I'm going to caution you. It doesn't matter what stock it is. It doesn't matter what cryptocurrency you are planning to buy. Don't continue to make the same mistake, which is you see green, nothing but green pastures, and you are looking at the stock market with rosy glasses. Or because we've had 2 green days in the stock market, everything is green. I know. But don't just start chasing or following someone. You may be buying at the top, right at the resistance, and the stock market may come down right after you bought. If you have a job and you are making, let's say, I'm just using a hypothetical number here. If you are making, let's say, $240 a day on your job, and you are also trading, doing this 5 days a week, and you are making $120 a day in the stock market, that's not enough. Don't just quit your job. You still have a long way to go. So because you see someone else is making money because they are killing it, don't put in all your money. Don't have the fear of missing out. Don't FOMO into a play and buy it at the top. That's my take. Obviously, not a financial advice or the promotion of any get-rich-quick scheme. But if you find it helpful, if you enjoyed the content and appreciate my effort to keep you informed and educated about the next new trends when it comes to making money in the stock market, please consider subscribing and sharing the video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.